All right, here we are in class 3, exercise 5. Class 3, exercise 5. And up to now, we've been doing all kinds of different tests uh, to try to attack, all kinds of different ways to attack the web application. In this particular example, in this particular exercise, I should say, we're going to try to do a dictionary attack against the admin and admin user using burp. So I'll show you how to do it. We'll go through it very quickly. So first of all, go to your browser and check to make sure that the proxy settings are set correctly, manual, and also check that the advanced this network allow hijacking tools is enabled to true. Then go back to the login page. So on the login page here, we are going to type in admin, but first we got to go to burp and turn on the intercept. And then we type here admin, say foo for now, just any old password, doesn't have to be the correct password. Say login, and sure enough, we are intercepted because you notice it's spinning here, it's thinking. And let's switch over. Okay, sure enough, it got intercepted. We're going to right click on the request and I'm going to send it to intruder. And we can forward it or whatever, it doesn't matter. We can go to the intruder, and here we captured the request, admin, and some password, foo. And what we're going to do here, we're going to add these positional characters that they use in Burp Suite to define a variable and a placeholder. And so here we're going to say pval, and we're going to remove this password that we have. And pval is what we recommended here. Obviously have the intruder, position tab, everything else. Now this looks a little bit different than the pictures in the class. I guess this was recorded a while ago, but it functions more or less the same way. So here pvals, and now we just have to add here on the right hand side in payload configuration some variable. So let's say foo. Actually, what is the test say to do? To add on the payload tab. It looks a little different. So password test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and admin. So I'm going to add password, add test, add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever, doesn't matter. Add, and we're going to add the correct password as well to see how that works. I mean, this could be just in a big old dictionary somewhere. You can probably upload, paste from files, etc. So the correct password is obviously admin. We're going to add it to the list. And when we're done, we're going to say start the attack. Immediately this one complains about something, so just say okay, ignore it. But in the background, it actually did do the work. So if you look here, it sent 5 requests, one with the payload password, right? If you go down, you'll see the password here changes from one try to the other. And if you look at the response tab to see what happened, notice it says logging incorrect in every case. This is just nice and pretty. You can see the raw as well, either way. You can look at the next one. These are all failed, right? Even though the status quo HTTP 1.1 came back as 200 OK, the actual text was incorrect. And as expected, when you get to the last one, the cookie gets set, as we've seen before, and says authentication is correct. And we also receive the 302, which is a redirect to redirect us to the admin page. And yeah, notice it's redirecting us to the admin interface.php page. And so that is in line with what this is exactly a mini, tiny little attack that we did on the website. This dictionary would be much longer to try out until we get something different here. So hopefully that helps. Let's look back and see if there's anything else to learn. Okay, that's it, and that's it. So note to self, it's easy to attack websites. If you can discover admin password, if you can discover the admin user, you can try to run a dictionary attack just like we tested here. So thank you. We are going to pause here.